Welcome to the Dancing Vegan. Episode 3, Vegan Yogurt Bowl. Here are the ingredients for the yogurt bowl. Vegan plain yogurt, walnuts, cinnamon, honey, blueberries, and hemp seed. I'm going to go ahead and add 6 spoons of vegan yogurt. Now I'm going to add half cup of blueberries. 2 tablespoons of hemp seed. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of walnuts. Now let's top it off with some honey. And with some cinnamon. There you have it, my vegan yogurt bowl. Thanks for watching.